Today we will talk about NFT and its advantages and disadvantages. NFT stands for Non-Fungible Token. It is a unique digital asset that is stored on a blockchain, which is a decentralized digital ledger that records transactions. Unlike fungible assets, such as cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin or Ethereum, which are identical and interchangeable, NFTs are unique and cannot be replicated or exchanged for another asset on a one-to-one basis. NFTs can represent a variety of digital assets, such as art, music, videos, tweets, virtual real estate, and more. They are created by uploading a digital file to a blockchain network, which creates a unique digital token that represents that asset. The token contains information about the asset, such as its owner, its creator, and its history. One of the main advantages of NFTs is that they can be used to verify ownership and authenticity of digital assets, which has become increasingly important as digital content has become more popular and valuable. NFTs have also become popular in the art world, where they have been used to sell digital art for millions of dollars. NFTs have sparked a lot of excitement and interest in the blockchain and crypto community, and they are seen as a new way to monetize and own digital assets in a decentralized and transparent way. Like any new technology, NFTs have both advantages and disadvantages. Here are some potential good and bad sides of NFTs. Unique ownership. NFTs provide a way for artists, musicians, and other content creators to prove ownership and authenticity of their digital assets. Monetization. NFTs provide a new way for creators to monetize their work and earn revenue from their digital creations. Decentralized. NFTs are stored on a blockchain, which is a decentralized digital ledger. This means that they cannot be easily replicated or tampered with. Accessibility. NFTs provide a way for people to own and invest in rare and valuable digital assets that they may not have been able to access otherwise. Bad sides of NFTs. Environmental impact. NFTs require a significant amount of energy to create and store on a blockchain, which has raised concerns about their environmental impact. Expensive. The cost of creating and selling NFTs can be high, which may limit their accessibility to some artists and creators. Bubble risk. NFTs have gained a lot of hype and attention in a short amount of time, and there is a risk of a bubble forming around them. Lack of regulation. NFTs are a new and emerging technology, and there is currently a lack of regulation around their use and sale. This may create risks for buyers and sellers in the market. It's difficult to predict the future of any technology, including NFTs. However, it's clear that NFTs have gained a lot of attention and momentum in a short amount of time, and they have the potential to disrupt the way we think about ownership and value in the digital world. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.